Dear student, namaste. How are you, student? I think you are fine. So, student, we have completed the chapter. We have completed the chapter 4. Today, this is a new chapter. We will discuss about the light. So, have you seen the light? Yes? Very good. So, let's come everybody here. How we define the light? Light is a form of energy that gives the sensation. Light is a form of energy that gives the sensation of sight. Okay? Sensation of sight means this. This is the eye. Without light, we can't see the object. That is the sensation of the sight. Okay? So you can simply say light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy that gives sensation of sight. Okay, with the help of the light, we can see the object. So we need light to do different activities. Light is needed for the different activities. The green plants prepare food by the process of photosynthesis. Okay. The green plant prepare food by the process of photosynthesis in presence of light. It means simply you can say without light, green plant or living plant cannot prepare their food. Their way is the photosynthesis with the help of the light. Means light is a energy by the help of which plant can prepare their food. The food prepared by the green plants is used directly or indirectly by animals. Yes, of course, that is right. The food prepared by the green plant is used directly or indirectly by the animals. Yes, we are also totally dependent upon the plant. The food which is prepared by the animals, directly or indirectly, we human beings or animals are dependent on that. Any confusion, dear student? If question asks you how to define the light, so you can define the light. Light is a form of energy which gives sensation of sight. Sensation of sight. Without light, there is no possibility to see the object. So, you be clear here. This is the daytime. In daytime, we can see clearly to all objects. But when night falls, if there is no darkness, can you see the object? No. Then why? Because there is no light. Why? Because there is no light and you will not get the sensation to sight for that. Okay? Very nice. So dear student, now we are discussing the sources of light. What are the sources from where you are getting or we are getting the light? So can you say me the main source of light? Yes? Yes. Sun. Yeah? Sun. Sun is the main source of light. Okay? We can get the light from the sun. Then how can we find the sources of light? Any object that gives what? Out light is called sources of light. Any confusion? Any doubt? Yes, dear student? Any confusion? Very good. So, we can define these things same way. And some object like sun, I told you, the sun is a main source of light. Burning candle, from burning candle, you can get the light. Lamp, glowing bulb. Yeah, night time what we do? Yes, we glow the bulb. Bulb glow, no? When current, when electricity goes, then what? Bulb not glow. At the time you feel darkness now glow. Yes. So it is a emit light. It gives the light. So dear student, in this way we can talk about that. Then there is main sources of energy, light, that is natural sources of light and artificial sources of light. Okay, natural sources of light and artificial sources of light. So we'll discuss that. Okay, any confusion, dear student? Dear student, so we'll discuss here the natural sources of energy. Do you know the meaning of natural? Natural? Yes? Good. God gifted. Okay? God gifted. Yes? God gifted. Good. So, natural sources of light means the substance which emit light naturally. The substance which emit light naturally or nature or we can say natural source of light. Natural source of light. Okay? The substance which emit light naturally or the light which emit by the nature. By the nature or the natural sources of light. Example: sun, stars, moon, firefly. Firefly means when you see the firefly in night time. Yes, in night time some else we see the fireflies. Just we see that is the one parts of the star. It comes rapidly like this. When it come down on the earth, and slowly it cool down and falls on the earth. That is the firefly. Any confusion, dear student? So we will discuss here about the sun. One natural sources of light is the sun. So we'll discuss about this sun. So we had seen sun with the help of the sun. We feel daytime, when sun sets, 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock in west side, then night falls and we see the moon, stars, we see like that. Okay, so let's discuss here. The sun is the most important source of light on the earth. It is very important source of light. One of the major source of light. Okay, we cannot see object at night due to the absence of sunlight. When night falls or absence of the sunlight, we cannot see the object in night time. Thus, sun is considered the major source of light energy. So, sun is the major source of light is what? Sun, we can say. Okay, understood? Here with the help of the sun, we can see with the help of the sun, we can dry our clothes. With the sun help of the sun, the photosynthesis dawn can be performed in the green plant. Yes, very good. So next is the star. The star. Have you seen star? Yeah, there are a lot of stars on the cloud. No, in the sky, when you see, there you see a lot of star. What is called a lot of star in the sky. Yeah, I'm talking about that star. Right? So the stars are very massive and very hot. It is very massive. Okay, very massive and very hot. Too hot. Okay, nobody can touch that. Yes. However, they appear twinkling as they are very far away from us. Although that is far away from us, too far away from us, 2 miles they are, but they twinkles and you can see, yes, that is the star. We get very less light from stars as they are extremely far from the earth. We get very less light from the stars as they are extremely far from the earth. They don't have less light, but they are far away from us, so we get less light from them. Okay, understood? Okay, now it is far away from us. Okay, we can say stars are extremely far from the earth, so it gives less light on the earth. Any confusion, dear student? Any confusion? Very good. So beta, we are talking here firefly. Firefly. What do you mean by firefly? Yes, firefly. Yes, here a firefly means that is talking about the insect. Before that, I have talked you the next thing, but here is talking about this insect. See, this insect. No, yes, one insect no comes on night time and its body lightening. Yeah, that is, I'm talking about that insect. We can see firefly. June kiri in Nepal you can say that June kiri also. Okay, which kiri? June kiri. That is one type of insect at night. But the light from firefly is not useful to us. The firefly is a cool source of light. Okay? Yeah, we can see the light from the body of the firefly June kiri, but this is the cool source of light. Okay? Any confusion, dear student? Any confusion? Very good. So, beta, we are talking about now the last point, artificial sources of artificial. Okay? We are talking about the artificial. Okay? Any confusion here? No. So, good. So, student, how can define that? The sources of light which emit from the artificial objects. Okay? The source of light which emit from the artificial object. It's called artificial sources of light, just like candles, electric bulb, lamps, lasers, fluorescent lamps. Okay, etc. They are the artificial source of light. Dear student, this much for today. In next class we will talk more. Thank you, dear student. Namaste, everybody. Take care.